Kevin with Halo Power Solutions. Today I'm here with Adam. There's Adam. And we got a unique situation here. This is a house in Sherwood Park. So we've got a couple of receptacles in a bedroom that have never worked since this home was built in the early 2000s. So what's interesting is we've got a receptacle over here that works, and this is the only one in the room. So today we're going to be using our SureTrace circuit tracer to see if we can find out what's going on here. Today we're using our Ideal Industries SureTrace circuit tracer. This model is the 61-959. So far we've been really impressed with how well this tracer operates. We've used less expensive tracers in the past, and I have to say they don't compare to the versatility and the options that this particular tracer has. We've been using it for finding wires buried in a wall, in a ceiling. This tracer will even detect wires that are underground. It's also useful in finding shorts and miswires in a circuit. So far, very impressed with it. When you purchase this kit, you get a receiver that works really great. It gives a numeric strength value as you're tracing your circuit. It goes from 0 to 99, which is really great because a lot of the less expensive tracers will just give you an audible tone. This one gives you a strength signal as well. It's got 4 levels of sensitivity on it, and it also tells you when you've reached your peak detection, and really great unit. It also comes with a transmitter, which is really excellent. The transmitter works on either live or de-energized circuits. So if you need to trace out wires that are de-energized, that's where it's really handy because it does induce a signal down the wiring. And when you use it with the receiver, it makes it very easy to find your mystery wires. The 959 also comes with the inductive clamp and battery pack. So that's great if you need to trace wires and you need to actually induce a signal down it, but you want to clamp onto the wires. So let's say you're in an electrical panel or something like that. That's where we found this clamp really useful. So anyways, we'll carry on and we'll show you how we used it today to solve the Bethel Drive mystery. So Adam, I'll let you get her going here. First thing I do is plug in the transmitter. The SureTrace is great because we can actually plug it into a live circuit and still transmit a signal. So yeah, I'll let you take over there, Adam, explain what you're doing.
All right, so that's the second part of our SureTrace receiver here. Go ahead and turn this thing on. So right away it's telling us that there's some signal in this room. That makes sense because the light's also in the same circuit.
Yep.
So we're going to dial back sensitivity a little bit here because we want to make sure we can find the exact location of this wire with this. So the way this guy works, you get a higher number and a louder beep the closer you are to the signal coming off of the. So we will just try to follow this wire here. Strong numbers up here. There's an elevator here. Okay, bring it back up.
So we can basically follow this wire. We can see through walls with this thing.
Okay, still got a super strong signal on this wall here. Getting closer to our plug that doesn't have power.
You bet. And there it is.
Is that it?
Yeah, I will, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so we're still getting our signal. You can see where the wire is as you come down.
So you can find out the right height.
There it
Numbers
is.
showing up, getting closer. Warm,
Perfect.
warmer, warm.
Okay, so we'll follow it around. Yeah.
Still got the wire coming through here.
There we go.
We're getting some pretty high numbers in this area here.
Mm-hmm. What happens? There we go. Now if you keep going to the left.
Yeah, I think we're in the ballpark here.
Okay, now what happens if you keep going this way, Adam?
Okay, so head away from the window here, and we're losing signal.
We're losing signal. That's interesting.
I think what that's telling us is inside this box here, our wires aren't connected.
So behind the drywall, we're suspecting there's a box that got buried when the house was built. Yeah. Okay, so one more quick test we'll do before we poke a hole in the wall is we're gonna shoot a circuit or shoot a tone down the circuit from the other direction from the plugs that aren't working, and we see if we get similar results.
Try run.
Okay. So Adam's got it hooked up here, coming from the other direction. This circuit's de-energized, but we're sending the signal down it.
So you're not going to see numbers quite as high as when the SureTrace is energized. 40 is a good number. That tells me that the wire is still in here.
Yeah, you can see it coming around.
Probably about this side here.
Yeah.
Still in the high 40s. Feeling good with that. If we go a little lower, start to lose it. So tell me the wire's up here. Okay, we must have gone past the wire there. Back to the 40s. I think we're sitting with the box right about over here. So we get into 49, so we get 50, give me 50, 50.
Pretty close.
Okay, we'll sell it for 49.
Okay, all right.
Oh, we're in the 50s.
Perfect. Okay, well, moment of truth. We're going to make a hole in this drywall, and fingers crossed there's a box buried back there that was never connected.
Opinion on that?
Yeah, that looks about
12 inches. Window stud's probably going to put us.
Yeah. Okay, well, let's make a small hole and we'll shine a light in there and see if we see some wires.
Alright. Moment of truth. X marks the spot.
Sounds like something in there.
Sounds like wires.
It does sound like wires. I'm excited.
I'm nervous. Looks like wires.
Fantastic. All right, let's cut her out a little bit more. Victory.
I think that's a wire, Kevin.
Beautiful. Awesome.
So this house was built in 2001.
Yep.
These two plugs have never worked.
Well, we know why now. All right, we'll let Adam cut that out and we'll have this fixed in no time. All right, we're back. Fast forward 5 minutes and oh, look at that.
Don't call it the SureTrace for nothing, Kevin.
Fantastic. All right. Well, a couple of minutes, we'll be all powered up. Nice work.
All right.
All right, Adam, moment of truth. We got to clean up anyway, so I guess we'll see if this all works. Hey! All right, as Adam's just doing his final cleanup here, and there it is, the plug that never was. All right, nice job. So thanks again for joining me. I do ask that if you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it if you're on Facebook, and if you're on our YouTube channel, I'd love for you to leave some comments, let me know what you think, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Kevin with Halo Power Solutions, and we are Sherwood Park's most trusted electricians.